Hi guys! Welcome to Baguio City!
I've been in and out my mind since I hit your
Wala pang
phone. I've been
matamis.
counting up the times that I did you wrong. I just want you by my side.
This bell is better be iconic.
It's been a little while since we got along. Yeah, we've been playing stupid games. The situation rotates, and they say communication.
100,000 steps.
Okay, medicated how I'm patient, wasting time ain't the way. Cause I can see it.
It's okay, it's an experience.
Turning, staying up all night long. I've been
Grabe ang nature dito sa Camp Jandy.
wondering what I did wrong. I could tell
Wow! Ganda!
you got some.
This is what? Ano ito?
Let me inside, let's make it right.
Good morning guys! Let's start our day with a complimentary breakfast. Nag-order ako ng bangsilog and juice. Hindi ako nag-coffee kasi plan namin na mag-coffee along the way. The complimentary breakfast is a plated style. Okay naman yung food, hindi lang masyadong malasa yung sausawan. Arriving at La Trinidad, Benguet, kalapit city of Baguio, nag-take kami ng taxi from Upper Bonifacio near Burnham Park around 8 AM. Around 45 minutes travel time, medyo traffic. Hindi ako mamimitas ng strawberries dahil hindi pa season. Merong konting bunga pero pa ilan-ilan lang. You need to pay 20 pesos each for environmental fee. Pwede mo nang ikutin yung buong farm.
Let's try the freshly picked strawberries. Dito sa Strawberry Farms sa La Trinidad, Benguet. Walang masyadong strawberry today. Nag-try kami mag-ikot. Hindi ata season. Start ata ng February. Puro cabbage na kayo. Cabbage tsaka broccoli. Kaya ako nagtitikim ng strawberry kasi wala din ako nakita nagtitinda ng Baka hindi panahon ng soya ngayon. Ang sarap ng strawberry nila dito. Asim. Wala bang matamis. Last. Look. Lang.
Patigil ko yung avocado at tumagal.
Ay, ayoko avocado.
Sarap yan, sir.
50 pesos yung strawberry ice cream. May option din ng avocado pero hindi ko yun pinili kasi wala naman silang tanim na avocado. Matamis siya na may konting asim, creamy and refreshing. Nakakadagdag ginaw lang sa panahon. Gusto ko din sana yung taho kaso walang nag-iikot this time. Gumilid ako kasi malakas yung music ni Kuya. Ninanamnam ko lang while looking sa camera. It's 8 out of 10.
I've been in and out my mind since I hit your phone. I've been counting up the times that I did you wrong. I just want you by my side when I get real gone. Feel it's been a little while since we got along. Yeah, we've been playing stupid games. The situation rotates, and they say communication save relations. Okay, medicated how I'm patient, wasting time ain't the way. Cause I can see it on your face. Up and
Next up is Hey, Camp Jan, hey! Nag-jeep kami from Strawberry Farm to Burnham Park dahil walang masyadong taxing dumadaan. Then from Burnham Park, nag-taxi naman kami going to Camp Jan, hey! Nagbayad kami ng entrance fee na 85 each. Then pag Baguio resident, 55 each. Pag PWD and senior ay 40 pesos naman. Just present your ID to avail the discount. Ikot-ikot lang sa mga picture spots. Malawak yung area at malamig ang panahon. Madami ding area na malilim, kaya good ito for tambay. Lakad-lakad lang kunyari dahil maganda ang view. Hintay lang ng timing na walang nagpapapicture. Montage ng picture spot. This area naman is going to Secret Garden. More on picture spot pa din and nature encounter.
Grabe ang nature dito sa Camp Jandy. Para kang nasa ibang bansa. Gusto ko yung ganitong pasyalan lang. Walang rush, walang time na kailangang madali eh. Kung gusto mong huminto, hinto ka lang. I love Baguio because of this.
Nakakapicturean kita dyan, tingin ka sa langit, kunyari may airplane. O lakad ka tapos tingin sa paligid, bagalan mo lang. Oh, 1, 2, 3, pose. Ililikha Artist Village, located on Assumption Road in Baguio City, is a unique eco-art hub established in 2014 by national artist for film Kidlat Tahimik, Eric De Guia. It is a village of makers, constructed from recycled materials, woods and old structures built around existing trees. The village served as creative sanctuary for local artists to showcase indigenous-inspired art, featuring small food stalls and a miniature cinema. Kidlat Tahimi constructed the village as a work in progress, often compared to a house-moving castle or a Sagrada Familia of Baguio due to its organic, irregular, and recycled and reclaimed materials. It is a multi-story treehouse-like structure featuring stained glass, broken tiles, wood carvings, and an old window frames. Basically, yung buong area is very artsy, with coffee shops and food stalls. No soft drinks allowed. Walang entrance fee and you can roam around freely. But be mindful dahil hindi masyadong malaki yung area. You can find people taking pictures of the art.
Ay, tumagal.
Dito kami nag-early dinner. I ordered lechon Macau and a bottled water since wala ngang soft drinks sa area. Kahit yung plate is very aesthetic. Plated in a wood and aesthetically assembled na pleasing sa eyes. The food is good but it can do better. 7 out of 10. Decided to visit SM para mag-refill ng brief. Kinapos kasi ang aking dala. Plano din namin na kumain at mag-coffee before heading home. But quick stop muna sa Uniqlo. Baka may magandang outfitan sa susunod na pasyal. Maganda sana yung color pero maluag na. Wala nang extra size. Finally, hindi na makiside A for today's video.
Thank you.
A quick view sa SM Baguio. 3, 2, 1, go! SM Baguio, yun lang.
Hi guys, good morning. Kakalabas lang namin sa accommodation. Walking distance lang yung Tamawan Village from doon sa pinag-i-stayan namin. Maghahanap kami ng breakfast for today bago mag-start yung araw namin. Buti na lang medyo nakarecover yung body ko. Kasi kahapon, super lakad kami. Sakit ng likod ko. So hopefully, sumakit din yung likod natin ngayon pero hindi na masyado. Sakto na lang. Samahan nyo kami. Tara!
Welcome to Tamawan Village Garden in the Sky. Sa loob na kami nag-breakfast. It's called Tamawan Cafe and Restaurant. I ordered beef tapa with local coffee. Pero hindi kasi ako mahilig sa hot, kaya nag-order pa din ako ng iced coffee. Affordable naman yung price at yung ambience very local. Masarap din yung suka. It's 8 out of 10 for me.
Ay, patarik na yung dinadaanan. Oh, yeah. Chill lang po. Kasi matarik. So, yeah. Paakit pa ulit. Madulas yung daan. Hey guys, we are here at Tamawan Village and here is the 360 view.
I've been in and out my mind since I hit your phone. I've been counting up the times that I did you wrong. I just want you by my side when I get real gone. Feel it's been a little while since we got along. Yeah, we've been playing stupid games, the situation rotates. And they say communication, save relations, okay.
Welcome to Mirador Heritage and Eco Spiritual Park in Baguio City.
To Mirador, Arashiyama Bamboo Grove. Gaganda ng mga bamboo. Grabe, ang gaganda ng mga bamboos. Bundok na bundok. Bamboo, often referred to as green gold, produces over 35% more oxygen than trees. It is one of the fastest growing renewable resources in the world. It plays a crucial role in Earth's carbon. Kineso. So basically, sabi maganda daw yung oxygen ng bamboo na produce.
Picture ka dyan, nak. O, tingin konti. Smile. Isa pa. Yun lang.
Hinahanap na lang namin yung bell, yung iconic bell. Tapos bababa na kami. Ay, Diyos ko. Grabe ang hingal naman ng person. So, target ko today dito sa Baguio is 100,000 steps. Unlimited trekking. To Upper Rock Garden. So sana dyan na yung area ng Kalembang. Naku, parang wala yung Kalembang. Edo ang meron. The quest of finding the Kalembang. Update ko kayo later. Update lang guys. Hindi pa rin namin nahanap yung bell. Ang sabi sa amin ng tour guide is kailangan daw namin talagang paglaanan yung mga trails. Sa dulo pa daw yung bell. So sana yung bell na yun ay napakaganda late. Update ko kayo mamaya. Mirador Peace Memorial. Siguro malapit-lapit na tayo. Sobrang laki ng area na to. Hindi talaga magkikisikan yung mga tao sa mga picture spot. Parang hindi magkukumpul yung mga tao. So sobrang daming i-picture ang area. Ito na daw yung bell. Tingnan nyo dito. Kana Wedding Garden Terraces. This bell is better be iconic. Buti na lang malamig ang klima sa Baguio. Kung nasa ibang area to, Diyos ko. Hindi yan. Color red yun eh. Color red yung bell na hinanap namin. So hindi daw ito yung bell. Update ko kayo later guys. Hindi pa rin namin makita yung bell. Hi guys. May nakita kami yung bell pero hindi naman ito yun eh. O ito na yun. Hindi ko sure. Ay, yan. Doon sa mga pictures, color red siya. Comment down below guys kung ito nga yung bell na yun dito sa Mirador. Ayun na ba yun? Or maghahanap pa kami? Comment down below.
A few moments later.
So guys, good news. Natatanaw ko na yung bell. Natatanaw ko na siya. Ganda ng view. Oh, ganda ng view. Look nyo guys yung view. Ganda. Ang ganda ng view from here. Wow, ganda. Ayun yung bell guys. Lalapit kami dyan para makapag-picture. Kailangan muna namin akyatin to. Finally guys, ito na. Ang hinanap naming bell ng ilang minuto. Ayan na siya. Yeah. Ang ganda ng view. Ayan yung bell guys. Mag-picture kami dyan later. Tapos after nitong makapag-picture dito sa bell na to, lilipat na kami sa next destination namin, which is Stone Kingdom. Pero kakain muna kami ng lunch. Update ko kayo later sa next destination. Bye-bye!
Picture muna tayo kahit malayo. Hindi makalapit ang haba ng pila.
Wala, hindi namin kinaya yung picture. Masyado na mainit, mahaba yung pila. So, that's it guys. See you later na lang sa next destination natin. Hi guys, our next destination is Stone Kingdom. Currently guys, it's 1:10 PM. Medyo marami ng tao dito. Given naman kasi Saturday ngayon. Tsaka isa kasing Stone Kingdom sa mga famous tourist spot here in Baguio. So tingnan natin kung may enjoy ba natin. Kung anong mga pwede natin gawin sa loob. Hopefully makakuha tayo ng madaming pictures para may pang-upload tayo sa mga susunod na araw. Update ko kayo later pag nasa loob na tayo.
Nak, tingin dito. Tingin. Stone Kingdom. Medyo madaming tao pero hindi naman crowded level. Maganda yung structures and picture spots. Very unique.
Hindi nyo lang masyadong kita guys, pero nagbabike sila doon sa zipline. Gusto ko sanang itry yan eh. May lakas ako ng loob, pero hindi ko lang ata kaya yung pila, masyadong mahaba. So next time na lang siguro. Igorot Gold Mine. Tingnan natin kung anong meron. Ayun lang, madilim. Madilim.
Picture!
Hello! Nandito kami sa Cueva.
Nandito ka dito?
Sa Cueva. Wala. Hala, walang nangyari. May mga bombilya lang sa loob. It's okay, it's an experience. Pero madilim, walang masyadong nangyari sa loob. Ito guys, yung top view ng Stone Kingdom. In fairness, maganda dito. Iconic yung mga area tsaka structure. Hindi siya masyadong malaki, maraming tao. Yung tipo ng tao, hindi naman yung level na parang mag-aagawan kayo sa picture spot. Makakapag-picture pa rin naman kayo na maayos. Next lang. Stone Kingdom 360 view! Go!
I've been in and out my mind since I hit your phone. I've been counting up the times that I did you wrong. I just want you by my side when I get real gone. Feel it's been a little while since we got along. Yeah, we've been playing stupid games, the situation rotates. And they say communication, safe relations, okay.
Nakita ko to sa vlog ni Erwan. Since nasa Session Road naman na kami, we decided na dito na lang kumain. Bagay na bagay yung beef mami sa klima ng Baguio. Very mamon look din yung style ng food nila. Malalaman mo daw na authentic yung ganitong kainan pag masusungit yung bantay. Kaya ang masasabi ko lang, very, very authentic. I ordered lechong Macau, pero iba pala yung version nila dito. Kasalanan ko din, hindi ako nag-a-ask. Ayan, napachapsoy tuloy ako.
Ang creamy. Medyo spicy siya. Tapos white sauce. Creamy. Natin yung yun. Ayan nata akin eh. Ano ba yan? Mali. Sabi ko, asan na yung beef ko? Sorry guys, nagkapalit kami ng akin ito. Kasi orange siya, kaya akala ko bulgogi. So, order ako ng bulgogi kineso. Ano yung in-order ko? Bulgogi pasta. Yung kanina, ano yun? Gochu chicken alfredo. Gochujang yun kaya medyo ma. Sabi ko, beef ba yun? Ba't mo nakadikit? Tatambay lang kami ng foam coffee yan. Mga 3 hours and 30 minutes. Kasi 5 p.m. pa yung bus namin sa Victory Line. Mag-lunch dito sa foam coffee. Dito na rin ngayon magko-coffee. Maganda naman dito, cozy. Tsaka malawag yung space. Tsaka may mga sakit. Kung gusto mo mag-charge ng mga gadget. Upload ko kayo later sa coffee. This is what?
Sir?
Ano ito? Ah, cookie. Hi guys! Dito na nagtatapos ang ating Baguio series. I hope you enjoy watching our videos. Please comment down below if meron pa kayong suggestion or gustong puntahan sa susunod nating travel vlog. Huwag niyong kalimutan mag-like, share, and subscribe para mas ma-inspire pa akong gumawa ng more travel vlog video. Maraming salamat for watching. Hanggang sa muli. Bye-bye!